Position.html. HTML head we can write. A style also we can use. Okay. We'll go for body tag. And inside the body we can write call division. A class for that. Division class equal to something service. Right, everywhere different service name. Software, hardware, marketing, education, employment, digital marketing. 6 block we created. For this 6 block, first we'll write some CSS, then we'll align the content. 4 block in one line, next 2 block in one line, 4 block in one line. So we can write here for dot service dot service margin somewhere 2%, text align as a center, and padding 40 pixel from top, left right 0, bottom 40 pixel, background some color, maybe blue color, text color white, font size 70-80 px. So this will create, okay, width you have not written now. So that will write in the last. Width 21%, and float will use here, float as a left. So 4 blocks should come in one line, 4 or 5. 21% width and 4% margin, 25%. So total 4 blocks should fit in one line. 4 blocks should fit in one line, something like that. Font size look like we given bigger, we can reduce little. Height also we have written? No. Oh, sorry, this should be not 4 pixel, 40 pixel. Padding should be 40 pixel, 40, 0, 40. right? Something like this. Font size is still bigger. We can make it little 50 somewhere. It should fit in one line. It should not go to the new line. It still is a new line. And because this digital marketing we have written big word. Okay, so it's fitting in one line now. Fitting in one line. Right, so have you added any position? No position. There is no position property. Write a position property called static. Position static. You will not find any difference. Difference will not be there. It will be same as it was. No difference. That is the default position. Position static is the default position. Okay. So what's default position? That's for static. Now margin padding whichever we have given, it is getting applied. Okay. Margin padding we have given, it's getting applied. Change the position to relative, absolute. Absolute, absolute. Position absolute. Written position absolute. Any difference? How many are visible? Only one. Where is the remaining? Is become like a stack. One of the top of the each other is wrong. Okay, so if we have given the position absolute, margin and padding will not work. Padding is working, margin is not working. Any margin is working anywhere? No. Margin you have given 2%. So anywhere 2% is applied between two elements. Between two element, margin is not getting applied. Okay. So because of that, position of all are same. Starting position for all the element is same. Become a stack one after other, one after other, one after other. Position absolute look like this. So when we write position, your margin property will not work. In case of absolute, write for relative now. Relative. In case of relative, your margin will work. In case of relative, your margin will work. Position relative. Check now. Margin is working. People ask interview mostly these two property. What is the difference between position absolute and position relative? Okay, so when we wrote position as absolute, what was happening? Margin property was not working. Correct. If margin property will work, then each will have a difference. One after other, after other, after other, it will come. When we wrote position relative, no margin is working. So one is leaving 2 pixels from surrounding. Your float left was not applying. So same way, even we will answer when anyone asks what is the difference between position relative and absolute. We'll say if I am writing for absolute, margin will not work. So the position, starting position of all the element will be same. It will become like a overlap. It will become a stack. We can see the last element. We cannot see the first element. First element will get overlap by second. Second will be overlap by third. Third will overlap by fourth. Fourth will be overlap by fifth. All will get overlap by last element. Okay. That happen in the case of position absolute. When we follow the position relative, in position relative case, margin will work. We have some more property called top, left, right, bottom. Those all will work. Okay, so that you will have a space between two elements. Okay, next example, we will understand position fixed as well as scroll behavior. We have two more property, position fixed as well as position fixed we have created already, but we'll create one more. Position fixed with the scroll behavior. Right, so next file we can create anything in the right file name, scroll behavior.html or single page application.html, one page app.html, all names are fine. In one page only we are going to create multiple section and we'll see how that works. So hope looks similar. Single page app.html. Single page app.html. I made the file name. Single page app.html. I made the come to that file. Single page app. HTML, then head again, after that style again. Body, inside the body, UL and li, even a tag also. Href equal to hash will give here hash. Right call home. So any home. One link is added. When we click on home, okay, it will not go anywhere. Since you are given the hash, right call home only, hash home. We know in CSS, hash represent the ID, correct? Hash represent the ID. So you will write a section here, and that section ID will be home only. ID will be home. So when we click on home, home section will come in the front. Okay, home section will come in front. You can write H1 welcome home. Welcome home. Okay, got it. So when we click on home, where it will go? It will not go home.html. It will remain in the same page, and which section will be highlighted? Home section. Write the next line about. We'll write here about us. When you click on about us, second section will be highlighted. That ID will be called as a about. Okay, so hope two section is ready. Second section, contact us. We'll create a block below. Contact. H1 also contact us. Service. Our services. Next, add some more section. Product. Product we can write. Hello. Hello. See you. Will take long time or short time? Okay, no problem. I can. Okay, now we can. Okay, so we added how many ID? 5. One more required to add below. Call product. That is called our product. Okay, so 5 sections are okay. Now for every section there is a li. When you click on contact us block will come. When you click on service block will come. Whichever the link we click, that link will appear to the user. Okay, it will be within the page only. It's not like it's going somewhere. It will be within the page only, but in a screen, one block will be there. Now how run once and see it. It's like this. Okay, now write the CSS for section tag. Section tag padding 100 pixel. Text align center. Align center. Padding 100 pixel and text align center. After that, mean height 600 px. And then all the h1 should be in center. All the h1 should be in the center. And after that, color should be red color. And font size should be 7080 px. 80 px. 7080 px. Added. Save now. You will see the page will become too long. Page become too long. Too long. Something like this. Page become too long. Next, we'll write the CSS for UL. After that, meaning will come. What we are trying to do. So when we are here, link is available, but which section is available? Home. When you click on contact section will come here. When you click on product section will come here. Okay. There we can add a scroll behavior. It will feel like slowly is going and it will feel like slowly it's coming. Okay, so come down. Write the CSS for ULLI. UL background black color, margin 0 px, padding also. Okay, padding don't add here. Padding is not required. Text line left is okay. Then we can add UL space LI. UL space LI display inline hyphen block, inline hyphen block, ULLI display inline block. After that, padding from top 20 px, left right 40 px, bottom 20 px. Then you will change the color of A tag. ULLIA for A tag, color keep as a white color and font size change to how much? 25 px, and remove the underline. Text decoration none. Text decoration none. Text decoration none. Text decoration none. Something like this, but it's still scrolling up. In UL tag, you need to add the position text and width 100%. 100%. Position fixed, width 100%. Okay. ULLIA position fixed for this, and width how much? 100%. So it will become something like this. In UL tag margin 0 px you have written, that is okay. Okay. So let's check till here. It's ready or not? ULLI, A, ULLI, and UL. Next, we have to add some more CSS. So CSS part is ready. Okay, so everyone have written. Okay. Next is little space is there surrounding. You can see top also, right top everywhere. That you can remove from the body tag. In body tag, by default, you have 8 pixel gap. You will write for body tag margin 0 px. Margin 0 px. So that a space which is coming, a space will get removed. A space will get removed. The space is gone. From surrounding there was some gap. That space will be removed. Correct? Next you click on any link and see what is happening. Product, if you click, product section will come. Service we click, contact, about. Whichever the link we click, that section will be in front of user. Page is only one, but the content is just scrolling up down. It's happening very fast. When you click here, when you click on the link, you can see in URL ID is changing. Right? Click on that and then see in the browser URL ID will get changed. As soon as this ID will get changed, on front of the screen, this particular ID element will appear. So I have click on service. So ID is service now. So in your current page, whichever the section is with the ID called service, that will come in front. Okay. Now add one more property that complete for HTML for full page. Scroll behavior. Scroll hyphen behavior. Spelling should be same. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Scroll behavior smooth. Any changes? Now when you click on the link, you will feel like content is scrolling up down, top to bottom, something like this. This is called single page application. In one page only, entire feature. No need to jump from one page to other page. Okay, according to click, the section will appear. Now we'll add some more things, then it will look more better. So check till here, body tag, HTML tag, for both hope you have added some. Next, how many ID we have? Total 2, 3, 4, 5 ID we have. So for all the ID, we have to write the separate CSS now with a different background color. Okay, so for like this, suppose we have called home. So in home, background is sky blue. Next we have called about background light green. Same way you give some different dark color for all the sections. So when the section will move up down, it will feel like the content is scrolling up down. Color combination will change. Okay, so two I have written. I'll show you once how that look. When we go to the home, sky blue, about as a light green. Similar way, contact, service, contact. Suppose we'll keep orange color, contact, service, service, which color? Yellow color. Then product, okay. So this way you can apply the different color combination. When it moves scroll up down, it will show something different. Okay, working. Right. Next, after this, under each block, we can add some text data. Text data, once you add, your text data will appear in the left side. In section tag, what we have added? Oh, in section text align center we have already. Okay, cool. So come to the HTML part now. Under each section, we can add some text, some images, something and something. Like suppose this is the home block. Inside that, I will add some text data, 3-4 line. You can add bulk text, then it will be proper. It will visible properly. Okay, so we can go here, add the section tag. Under the contactors, under the service and other. Okay, so I did something like this. Remaining blocks, we can add some photos, some different type of content. So in import CSS folder, photo is required. If you want to add, you can add some photo. Add some photos here, and those photo you can call under the product case. Those photo we can call under the product list. Height we can give something. Okay, or height we can control through CSS. We can write the class pro any photo we can call many times. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 I have 1, 2, 3, 4 I have. So for this class we can write CSS. It will look better. Okay, so come to the again CSS part. Write the CSS for pro class. You can call 5, 6 time photo. Same thing, copy paste, change the photo name. If we don't have multiple photo, one photo is also okay. Same photo we can call 4 times. For photo is the plan to display in one line. You can write the width somewhere for photo. Width we can write 22%, not 22%. How much? 22.5%, and margin 1%. 112 it will take plus 0.5% we are giving the buffer space. Photo by default between two photo, 2-3 pixel gap we have, that will fit. Then okay, next border radius 10 px is required. Border will get 10 pixel radius for all the photos. Okay, getting the photos, something like this. This is under the product block. Service block is empty, contact block is empty. About we have added something. Yeah. Now come to service block. We can do something inside the service block. Okay, so come to the service block. In service block, we can add some type of services. We can display here a division and class equal to service 1 or MyService. Inside the MyService, you will keep one image. And this MyService, let's repeat total 3 times. This way. 1, 2, 3, something like this. The class name we have given called MyService. For that some CSS is required, and for img tag also some CSS is required. Okay, so division and image is written. We'll come to the HTML part. Not HTML, CSS part. In CSS, we'll add some CSS for my service and some CSS for service my service of IMG. My service of IMG. IMG tag is the child of my service. So we can write some CSS for IMG, those IMG that is under the my service. Move onto the CSS block. My service is a class. My service is a class. So for this my service, first there should be padding 1%. There should be margin 2%. Margin 2%. Then display colon in a line hyphen block. So the width will apply. If you are going to give some width, then display block is required. Display in line width will not apply. Okay. Now what we want, padding we are given, margin also we given. Okay. Padding 2% I'll give, margin also 2%. Now what will be the width of the division? Width of the division will be in one line. How many division we have written? 3. 3. So after minusing the margin and padding, whichever the space will be available, it will divide in 3 equally. Okay. We'll check how it is happening. Oh, what is the service name? My service, no? My service. My service. Should be dot my service. Next, after this, under the my service, we have one image. My service dot img. Under the my service, we have one img tag. What should happen for that? Width will be 100% of the parent and height will be 100% of the parent. Height will be 100% of parent. For parent width is okay, but height we have not mentioned. Height we have not mentioned for the parent. That is called my service. So there some height we have to add. What height we can add it? Let's add here height. Somewhere 300 px. Photo should fit inside. Okay, one more thing you can add here for the my service. Put the background as a white. Background as a white. And put border radius also little. Border radius is okay for 10 px. Oh, only two are coming in one line. Why two is coming? Something wrong in calculation. 2 pixel, 2%, 2%, 4%. When you say display in line, what will happen? No. Let's add some width also. 2% margin, 2% padding, 4%, 4%, 8%. If you are displaying 3 blocks, then 100 divided by 3. 33. 33% minus 8%. So how much will come? 27, 17%? 17 or more than that? No. 27. 27, no? Yeah. Let's add here width, not 27, 26%. Inline block will consume some extra space here there. 26% we can try. Still how many? Two only? Okay. 25%. 25% and 8%. 33%, right? So we have used more. 27 was more. Now see, it will fit. Try this much. 20 how much? 25 plus 8. So I did 26 for it. 26. 26 is working. It's not working for me. What is my screen width? Control 0 is 100% only. 26%. Because the padding I did 1%. Yes, padding is 1%. Okay. Then convert into 25. Padding. Change the padding to 2%, then try. Padding to 2%, then you can try. White box is coming, the white space is coming surrounding the photo. That is because of padding. Division background is white and you are given 2% padding. So the border is coming surrounding the photo. It is the background of division. Okay, and that is how much? 2% as a radius. 2% as a this one. Padding. So single page application is ready. In one page, all the feature. Okay, so working. Now one page is pending for you. That is called this part. Call as a contact. So in that you can create a form and apply some CSS. Okay. In that you can create a form and apply the CSS. After that our next topic is that is called bootstrap. That bootstrap will start from tomorrow. One contact box you have. This you can create a contact form and then you can